Welcome once again to our YouTube channel. My name is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Here at Adroit Architecture, we are committed to provide affordable and on-point professional services in the construction industry. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. We do value your support. Today, we have yet another home design video for you. This is not just your ordinary home. This is a house that makes a statement. A grand house with large, beautiful and functional spaces. With the amenities provided in this home, it would be great for a large family or an executive housing unit for the who's who in society. It can work great as a guest house as well. We bring to you the Fanaka 5-bedroom house plan. One of the key features I love about this house plan is the grand spiral staircase. The staircase is not only functional, but is very statemental, and it can be a very amazing space for you to deck up and beautify as you wish. You have an entrance porch that brings you into the double volume entrance lobby and entrance hall of this grand home. The entrance hall is a good place to screen your visitors and only give access to the rest of the house to those you wish to give access to. At the entrance hall, you have a visitor's cloak room, perfectly and privately located for your guests. You also have your beautiful spiral staircase. The staircase is not only functional, but an iconic feature right there for all to marvel at. From the entrance hall, enter into the extra spacious living room. This is what you would call a formal living room. Right next to the living room, you have an adjoining lounge, and this is what you would call your informal family room. Adjoining the family room, you have a large dining area. This one is big. This is where you have all your formal meals, entertaining all your family and all your guests. You have an extra large kitchen where you can house all your modern kitchen amenities and tools. You have an informal counter seating area right next to the kitchen that connects the kitchen and the formal dining room. This is a great breakfast nook area that provides even more seating and entertaining space for your guests. The kitchen, the dining room and the family room all have access to the outdoor terrace. This terrace provides a perfect place where you can set up an outdoor seating area overlooking your gardens. Another beautiful feature that you have in this home design is the dual fireplace. This dual fireplace is centrally located to serve the living room, the lounge, and the dining room. On the other side of your entrance hall, you have your catering kitchen. This is your second kitchen, where all the heavy lifting and messy kitchen work takes place. Right next to the catering kitchen, you have a walk-in pantry. The pantry provides you with all the space you need for all your extra storage. At the very end of the hallway, you have a laundry room. The laundry room is fully fitted and ready for all your cleaning appliances. At the end of the hallway, you have a door that takes you to the backyard. Downstairs, you have what we call the second master bedroom, complete with its own walk-in closet and master bathroom. This gives the owner of this home the option of having their master bedroom downstairs or on the upper floor. There are those who prefer to have the master bedroom on the ground floor. Take the grand spiral staircase to the upper floor. Here, we have what we call our first spacious master bedroom. This master bedroom has a walk-in closet as well as a spacious master bathroom. A sitting area is set up for maximum comfort. You also have a spacious lounge accessible to all on the upper floor. Both the lounge and the master bedroom have access to an expansive balcony. Another outdoor seating area is set up on this balcony overlooking your gardens. You have 3 other spacious bedrooms upstairs, each bedroom with its own private bathroom. A small storage room is provided upstairs that can serve well as a linen room. The total square footage of the Fanaka 5-bedroom house plan is a whopping 412 square meters. The top floor offers you 256 square meters and the ground floor offers you 156 square meters. The terraces are a total of 40 square meters. The footprint of this house plan, what we call the plinth dimension, is 26 meters by 16 meters. You will need at least a quarter-acre piece of land to build this beautiful mansion. The more land you have, the better. We use the construction cost guidelines provided by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. And according to the 2021-2022 construction cost guidelines, you need approximately 20 million to build this beautiful home. And that is the Fanaka 5-bedroom house plan, a statemental, all-en-suite 5-bedroom modern home. So if you're interested in this house plan or any other house plan that we have featured in this channel, get in touch with us. Below, we have provided our email addresses as well as our telephone contacts. We can customize any of our house plans to fit within your needs and your budget. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and with your friends. I'll see you in our next video.